So di ako gagamit ng clutch. Preloading. Preload ako. Wait lang. Preload ko. Tapos shift ko. Yon, di ba? JCUTMoto. Hapon na, but we are going to try to make a video. Baka newbie ka sa pagmumotor. Bago yung motor na nakuha mo. May clutch. Or maybe semi-automatic. Or maybe, curious ka lang. Or baka matagal ka nang nagmumotor pero feel mo di tama yung pagkakambyo mo or pagsishift ng munang gear. So here's a quick video. Hapon na ng Martes ngayon, January 7. We're trying to make YouTube as our priority for the year 2020. Baka full time na. So if you're watching this and you've been following my vlogs for quite some time, it would help if you will not skip some ads kasi gusto kong i-full time na to eh. Anyway, enough of the talk. Hanap muna tayo ng konting espasyo. Medyo matagal na rin akong di nakakapag or gumagamit ng motor na to, but yep, today is the day. Nagbabalik yung sniper natin. Isa ako sa mga nag-review ng sniper 150. 2018 pa yung review ko noon. So matagal-tagal na rin. Anyway, that's not the point of this video, but hanap muna tayo ng espasyo. By the way, if you're new here, I am Jeriel and this is my channel, JCUTMoto. If you happen to like my content, feel free to subscribe. Stop muna tayo dito. So shifting gears is one of the basic things to do if you're using a manual bike or a semi-automatic bike. Now, since I am using a manual bike, mayroon siyang clutch, saka shifter right there. So medyo madilim na kahapon, so I have to reshoot. Ang ituturo ko nga pala is how to shift better and faster. Ibig sabihin ko sa better kasi mas smooth yung transition sa lower gear to the higher gear or to the next gear. So, kunin muna natin yung motor natin. Pattern nga pala ng motor na to is 1 down, 4 up. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. 5 speed lang to. Anyway, so bali yung typical na pagsishift natin is bali first gear tayo. Yon, pag between siguro 4,000 to 8,000 RPM, shift up, shift up, shift up, shift up. So ganun yung typical na pagsishift natin. But yung smoother and faster way, mas smooth, mas banayad na pagsishift or pagta-transition from lower gear to higher gear or to the next gear is using the technique called preloading. This technique pala can be applied kahit hindi clutching type yung motor mo, kahit semi-automatic. I've tried this last night, hindi ko ginamit yung clutch ko. Clutchless shift, walang clutch na ginamit. Umubra naman, but it takes finesse, it takes practice, tamang timing talaga. Pero I will not be promoting clutchless shifting here kasi iba naman yon, ibang skill yon, saka medyo complicated yon pag newbie ka lang. Gaya ng sabi ko, preloading sa shifter mo. Kunwari, nasa first gear na ako. Before ako mag-transition to the second gear, I will be applying slight pressure. Slight pressure lang, not enough para magkambyo. After mag-slight pressure ka, pull the clutch, tapos roll off the throttle. Once you roll off your throttle, mapapansin mo, mas madali na siyang aangat. So, mas smooth yung transition ng gearing mo. And at the same time, hindi ka na masyadong pipiga sa clutch mo. Since may slight pressure ka na sa paa mo, sa shifter, aangat ko sa yan once na nag-roll off ka sa throttle at pumiga ka na sa clutch. Now, to demonstrate, syempre, kailangan natin magmotor. First gear tayo. Preload. Yun. Preload. Third gear. Preload ulit. May preload na dyan. Yun. Fourth gear. Tapos preload ulit. Yun. Oh, stop muna tayo. So by the way, downshifting naman, may iba't ibang paraan din ng downshifting. Now, if you're downshifting because you want to stop, slow down ka na lang, mag-brake ka. Tapos habang nag-slow down, RPM mo bumababa, mag-downshift ka, pull the clutch and then slowly downshift. Other than that, if you're downshifting because you want to utilize the engine brake ng motor mo, kailangan mo dyan is rev matching. Yung rev matching is revolution or RPM, i-match mo. Coming from the higher gear to the lower gear. Now, it's a complicated process. It requires another video for that. At least alam nyo yung tawag doon, rev matching, para hindi ka parang sinusuntok once you shift down. Now, for this process, shifting smoothly lang tayo. First gear, tapos preload. Yon, shift. Preload, roll off, tapos simultaneously pull in the clutch, shift. Preload, yon. Tapos preload ulit, yon. Bali, first gear, boss abante, preload na, anticipating na magsi-shift, yon, yon. Tapos preload ulit, anticipating na magsi-shift. Yon. Preload ulit, pull in the clutch and then roll off the throttle. Yon. Then ulit. Yon. Yun lang yung pinaka-technique talaga. Now, just to demonstrate lang na pwede tong gamitin clutchless. So, di ako gagamit ng clutch. Preloading. Preload ako, wait lang, preload ko, tapos shift ko, yon, di ba? Nag-shift siya. So yun yung clutchless na sinabi ko na pwede siya. Pwede rin itong gamitin, yung preloading pwede mo rin gamitin using a semi-automatic bike. But anyway, that's not the point of this video, but rather just to demonstrate shifting faster and smoother. Took me another day just to finish it kasi madilim na kahapon. Anyway, that would be it for this video. Just a little disclaimer, magkaibang motor, magkaibang response sa technique na to. But observe nyo rin yung reaction ng motor nyo sa technique na to. Generally talaga, this type of shifting or technique ng pagsishift is applicable to most motorcycles. Motorcycles that are manual and semi-automatic. So that would be it. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and maybe share this video sa mga katropa nyong nagbumotor. So again, this is your boy, Jeriel, and this is my channel, JCUTMoto, saying you, bye-bye. Woohoo! JCUTMoto. Malapit lang yung ride namin, chill ride. 4 na NMAX, 2 sniper, 1 R6, at ito yung nag-iisang Honda Click. Kahit ano pa mang motor mo dyan, kung ine-enjoy mo talaga yung pagka-ride, ma-enjoy mo talaga yan. Diba? Habol-habol konti. Sarap pakinggan ng R6, di ba? So, ingat konti dito kasi may debris. Right now we are traversing the Boya BY-M1 road. So in front of me is the R6 by Sir Terry. Sige, habol muna tayo. This is the sniper right here. Sunny. Libre. So this is Brent and Joanne right here. Magjowa sana all. $107. Kayang mag 110. Yuko muna tayo. Okay. Yuko. Ang bibilis nila. Magkano kaya tinatakbo nila? Magkano? Magkano? Hi Brent.
Hi.
Hi Sid.
Ninot magdungan ta ba? Sabang Gagitan Surf Camp.